Hello, you're watching Proactive. Here's a look at some of the small cap stories we've been covering this past week. Chesnara is buying Scottish Widows Europe for 110 million euros, targeting 250 million euros in lifetime cash. CEO Steve Murray says around 100 million of that should come in the first 5 years, supporting dividends.
We continue to see a really big opportunity for the group. This is the 16th deal that we've announced in the last sort of 20 years or so. But around half of those deals we've announced within the last sort of 4 or 5 years. So you've really seen an acceleration of that M&A strategy. And look, part of that is clearly because of the pipeline opportunity that we're seeing. We're seeing a sort of more active M&A market.
Seeing Machine says automotive royalties are accelerating ahead of new EU safety rules. Management expects positive adjusted EBITDA in the third quarter with no need to raise fresh capital.
Regulations driving automotive royalties are highly cash generative. Costs are out, profitable in the second half, and a long runway of applications for our technology.
Seraphim Space Investment Trust has seen a strong portfolio revaluation driven by defence contracts. CEO Mark Boggett says major funding rounds and government demand are pushing valuations higher.
These companies are winning giant contracts. They're moving very quickly. The market's moving in their favour, and that's being recognised in our share price.
Bidarium's partnered with Integra to scale tokenized real estate markets. The focus is on issuing and trading fractional property assets on blockchain infrastructure.
In the first pilot few months back, title deed tokenization happened where a single apartment was being sold to almost 140 nationalities. Now today, second phase of this pilot is starting here where secondary trading of these tokenized assets or the fractions will start.
Connecting Excellence has begun trading in the US on the OTCQB. CEO Scott Ellum says the recruitment business generates cash while building a long-term Bitcoin treasury.
And we have a long-term thesis in Bitcoin that the value of Bitcoin will go up over the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years and beyond, and begin being used as a reserve asset, not just in corporations, but in nation states.
Follow us and subscribe on YouTube, our social channels, and on proactiveinvestors.co.uk.